90% of people never follow through on their business plans past the first 30 days. And it's not because they're lazy. It's because they underestimate the amount of effort and grind that it takes to create a successful business. It's not that you have a lack of unique ideas, because in fact, you have a bunch of them. Every idea is unique and innovative, disruptive. So what is it? In this video, I'll be teaching you the philosophies that you need to adopt in order to create a successful business long term. We all have that one friend that every month they're super excited about some new business venture, coming and telling you how excited they are and they got this next big thing. We all have that one friend. Let me tell you about my friend, Idea Ike. This guy, he's always coming to me with this next biggest thing, man. 1 month is puppy grooming, and then the next month is handmade candles shaped as celebrity heads. Like, great ideas, right? But here's where Idea Ike goes wrong. Every time it gets a little bit hard, or the energy he once started out the business with is no longer there, he jumps ship. He thinks it's time to start a new business. Something is wrong with his other business, this business that he just started. Something is wrong with it. So he starts a new one, creates a new business plan, gets super excited about it, tells you how great this business is going to be, and he repeats the cycle over and over and over again. So here's this framework that I created called the 4 C's. And because of the 4 C's, you'll no longer have to worry about your business consistency. You'll be able to start without having to stop. So step 1 of the 4 C's goes commitment. Commitment, commitment, commitment. When you make a decision, you're supposed to commit to the decision. A decision and a choice are 2 different things. Choice, you have many paths. You can go down path A or B, or you can jump from B to C if you really wanted to, because you have choices. But the difference between that and a decision is only one option, and it's to go. You're going on path A, you're going on path B, whatever path you choose, and you made the decision to stay on that path regardless of what is happening. If you're not energetic anymore, or if you're not feeling up to it for the day, there's problems that arise, you don't know how to overcome an obstacle, it don't matter. The main thing is you made a decision to stick with this business and see it through. So commit. Make a decision that this is the business you're starting and this is the business you're ending. Have any of you ever felt overwhelmed with all the business research and the marketing, the cold calling, the emailing, the product search, the business jargon, whatever it is that requires you to start a business? Because it's very overwhelming in the beginning. It's extremely overwhelming, especially if you are new to it. You've never been around starting a business before. It can get pretty daunting. So it's easy to quit when you feel like this. It's easy to quit when you don't know which way to go. So that's why having clarity is extremely important when starting a business. There's a saying that goes, all great things take time to develop. And in order to develop things, something is vital to this equation. And that something is consistency. Without consistency, forget about it. You are not building anything great. You won't build anything lasting, nothing monumental. Picture a farmer. They follow a 3-step process: plant, cultivate, harvest. They plant their crops in the spring and they let it cultivate. And they don't rush the cultivation process because you can't. There's no way of speeding that up. You have to be patient. You have to sit on your hands and you have to watch the progress happen naturally. And then they reap the harvest. The same thing for your business. We live in 2025. Everybody wants to rush their business. Everybody's so used to quick, instant gratification. That's why we have DoorDash and Uber Eats and Amazon same-day shipping. And that's the problem. You need to practice delayed gratification. You need to take a page out the farmer's book and learn how to cultivate. Let your business cultivate naturally. So you're going to have to do the things that are essential in order for your business to grow into the conglomerate that you want it to be, into the enterprise that you want it to be. And it takes time. So don't give up. Be consistent at the pursuit of what it is that you want. And this technique is going to allow you to change your ideas if you feel like you don't want to do the specific task that you're working on anymore, or if you want to try something new without quitting your original idea. And that is number 4, course correct. So there was this time when I created my first company. It was called B Street. And B Street went through so many changes. When I first started, it was a cannabis delivery platform. Didn't work out. And I pivoted to a corner store delivery service. So you see how I didn't quit the previous idea. I just pivoted into something new. And I pivoted again from there into what B Street was, which is an entrepreneur same-day delivery platform. So it's okay to change your ideas. It's okay to try something different. It's okay to switch it. Pivot is what I would like to call it. But it's okay to pivot. Don't completely drop the idea and quit, jump ship, abandon ship. You don't want to do that. Just pivot your idea to something different. And that something different just might end up being exactly what you were looking for. So that is the 4 C's. And I promise if you utilize these 4 C's, you write them down, please take notes. It's extremely important to take notes. Write those down. Write down commitment, clarity, consistency, and course correct. If you have these 4, starting a business and maintaining that business long term will not be an issue for you. A lot of times, all you need is something to keep you on track, so you'll know whether you're doing something right or you're doing something wrong. It's Shamir. I'll catch you guys in the next video.